Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple easy peasy drawings for the kids. So watch the video till the end and enjoy. First we will make a giraffe. For that we will draw the outlines, make its eyes, nose, color it and it's ready. Next we will make a snake. For that we will draw the eyes like this, draw its nose, draw the patterns on its skin, color it and it's ready. Next we will make a dog. Draw the lines like this. Now draw its hairs, ears. Now draw its eyes, nose and its teeth. After that we will color it as per our choice. Draw a tongue, fill it with using different colors and it's ready. Next we will make a bunny. Draw the lines like this. Draw its eyes, draw its ears, make its cute two bunny teeth, make its nose. Now we will color it as per your choice. Color it using different colors and your cute bunny is ready. Next we will draw a cat. For that we will draw its body like this. We will draw its ears, eyes, draw the pattern on its body, make its cute ponytail on the back. Now we will make its teeth like this, draw its heels, now draw its legs and then make a box on its hand and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next we will make a cute bunny. First draw the two finger shape like this. Draw its face, eyes and its nose. Draw its cute bunny teeth, color it and it's ready. Next we will draw a dolphin. For that we will draw the shape like this. Draw its ears, color it using blue color and it's ready. Next we will make a dinosaur. For that we will draw the hand shape like this. Draw its eyes, legs and it's ready. Next we will be making some more cute animals like this. Make these birds using the hands and sketch pens and it will be very easy and I hope you liked it. So here we have shown you how to put your hands to make these birds, animals. So watch the video till the end and learn many more techniques to make cute simple drawings. Thanks for watching.